Ayo. Bro, it's fine. I know you're frustrated. No, it's not bad. It's okay. Listen, how much drawdown do you have total left? Basically all of it. One losing day is not the end of the world, bro. Dude, yeah, that's not even a big deal, bro. It might feel like a big red day, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not a big deal. You can make it back. I really, 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 really wanted to take when we were inversing or when we inverse this. I really, really wanted to take that, but I can't, dude. I can't do it. Not before FOMC. Like, I know it's hard because everything's gonna look super appealing. Oh no! Oh no! No no! The PA suckage is about to end, sir. How long have you been trading, Dan? 1 year. So is this your? Have you seen FOMC rate cuts before? What up, Maxwell? See, like right now, I really, really, really want to long this, but like I'm not gonna. I want to take this really, really bad. I can't lie to you, but I'm just not gonna, dude. I'm just not doing it before news, man. Bro comes out wearing the wrong color tie, and then my stop loss doesn't trigger because the volatility spikes and I get wrecked, and I'm mad. So no thanks. I will wait. And also, I will be okay with taking nothing too. But I'm loaded up. I'm ready. I didn't do the. Dang it. All right, you guys are going to have to bear with me while I get my freaking TikTok. Just don't. Just give me a sec. Hang on. My problem was I traded 2 month trend lines. That's fine. We all did. Then I found ICT, but I didn't learn from ICT from like other traders. And then after I've been trading for 6 months, I found out about IFGs. So I learned the F out of that model and back tested for 3 months. This is my first time with live markets. Okay, yeah, bro. You need to not be so hard on yourself, dude. You're a baby. That's fine. Prepare yourself for frustrating nights and blown accounts because that's going to be part of the learning process. So just already be ready for that. Flat on trades since Monday. Still need 2K more to pass my eval. That's fair. It's not been the greatest. Like I've had to trade gold all week. So I feel you. I will tape read this 5 minute if we get it. But again, there's just no way I'm gonna trade my fundeds right now, dude. Unless we get this 5 minute. Then I. Oof. Dude, I might have to take this. I just don't like how we didn't get a sweep. But. Wait. No, I'm not going to take this. I'm going to wait. Like I just freaking said I'm going to. 7 times. What's wrong with me? Dude, this looks really good, though. I can't lie. Like, this 5 minute looks really good. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm about to press the button and hope Powell is on my side. Sorry. If you're not new here, then you know that the songs are not a new thing either. So, get this back to this 5 minute. Yeah, I might have to log into paper just to feel something. Dude, this 5 minute is. What up, Bill? I'm having a hard time trying to follow my rules right now. I want to take this 5 minute, but like, I shouldn't. What up, Hobby? Dude, I know. 15 minutes before news, bro. Come on. I'm just asking to get wrecked, honestly. But I'll tape read it still because why not? This is the model we trade, and it's possible I get FOMO after it works, but it's all good. We're just going to tape read it. Man, if somebody typed in the chat a few micros wouldn't hurt anything right now, I'd be like so hyped. I'd probably press the button if anyone said that. Yo, what is going on? I'm walking away so I don't press the button. And I'm going to check on what was voices. Oh, okay. Well, I'm streaming. Live session and recording. Whatever. Dude, I like. Yeah, exactly. See this? This is why we don't do this. But anyway, I. So like I've been considering streaming on TikTok too, right? But you like have to like do these. You have to like meet certain requirements before it lets you do certain things. So like it won't let me share my screen until I've done like X amount of live streaming or something. So like I thought about setting my phone up, right? Like behind me so you could see like me in the screens and then having my DJI mic right here so that the camera could still hear like it was right in front of me, And like getting my stream minutes in that way. Would that be weird? If anyone thinks that'd be weird, please let me know cuz I feel like it would be not weird, but I feel like that'd be kind of cool actually. Just be like I don't know. Live trading with my Discord or something. I don't know, dude. You've seen weirder things on TikTok? Dude. Okay, fine. I guess we're doing it. That's so funny, bro. So the tape read on this 5 minute is slow. Bro, like I feel like this is weird, man. I don't know. Could just be me, but I feel like this is weird. Probably like that, I guess. Dude, genuinely, any other day besides right now, and I'm in this long, dude. I'm burnt. Straight up. If it's not right now, I'm taking this, but. So the entry would have been there. But tape reading's still good, right? It's good practice. So the BE would be like this. Right? And then I'd probably just target this unfilled gap. But we're staying flat. All right. We got the DJI. Price action is at VWAP. Yeah, it's possible that it is. I am just not a VWAP user, so I don't have that on my thing. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I'm just saying that I just personally do not. All right, let me figure this out. Yeah, dude. I know. I saw that earlier, and I saw that earlier too, and was all. I posted it in Plio's server, and he was all, "Yeah, that was news a while ago." And I was all, "Oh, okay." So I guess like this. All right. Well, let's try this. Don't even know. See if it's working. Seems to be working. They be trying to spam call me in the middle of my thingy. All right. Well, this 5 minutes is going to work, dude. That's so unfortunate, man. Like freaking news, bro. News got to ruin everything. But again, it's still good. You know, we can tape read it and practice that. So, whatever. Looks like a dramatic trade, but volume is low. I know it's dramatic. It looks dramatic because my candles are way extended because of how low volume we are. Like, really, it should be like this. Like, it's 6 points in profit. It's really not that crazy. I mean, unless you're in a mini, you know, I guess it's not bad. But I'm not trading minis anymore. So, well, not when I copy trade anyway. I only trade minis on combines. I had to switch to micros for partials on my XFAs. Yeah, that makes sense. So that would have been a break even. Well, actually, no, not yet. Sorry. It never hit the BE technically. Yo, bro, eval trade. No, this is a tape read. I have my fundeds loaded, so I'm just tape reading until we actually get something, and I'm waiting for news. So, no way am I. I'm not in. Nope. No trades for me like that. Let's see. Can you check, please? 30 seconds short at 13.17. I took it and feel fine. In my opinion, good trade. Let's check it out. Oh, this one, dude. Let me be completely honest with you. It's not a very small gap, or it's not a very obvious gap, right? But I straight up almost ran to my room to take that, or ran to the office to take that, too. So like, it's not the greatest as far as in FVG size goes because it's pretty small. But like, we swept the highs. We had delivery from this last 30-second in the leg. There's tons of LRLR down here, so mechanically it would make sense. So it's a small gap, but like even I was like, should I go take this? I was like, nope, we're not trading. Okay. So 4 minutes till news. These candles are waking up, which is cool. Left a ton of buy side right here, right? All these highs, all this. Um, I gotta like. I actually like the IO Fed at 26,320 or 26,232 for my entry, but I can't take this before news. Yeah, I'm not. There's no way, dude. Like taking a trade right now is just asking to get wrecked, 100%. I gotta check something really fast. Cool. Audio is in. Fire. So, coming up on news. I almost think, oh, dude, I was thinking about like watching it and listening to it, but I forgot. But we'll know. I mean, we'll know. Man, my heart's racing, dude. I'm about to just hop in. Imagine just like no reaction, bro. How funny would that be? Let's see. We selling, clip it. Bombs are sweaty. Okay. So here's news apparently. See what we got. Hello? Okay. All right. What the? Hello? Dude, what's going on? So, uh, here's our data high, I guess. I'm gonna do this with the with the sarcastic data high. FOMC question mark? What is going on? Okay, so we already took out the data low. Dude, what is this? This reaction really got me regretting not taking that 2 minute earlier. Apparently, it's not a big deal, you guys. What the hell, man? Like, bro, what? That was not. There was like no reaction. There was no reaction. I don't get it. We got no reaction. Like, what just. Earnings announcements over FOMC? I mean, apparently. They're all, yeah. How did Meta and Microsoft do? Or Google, or wait, what is it? Google and Microsoft? It's one of those. Or there's two today. There's two big ones today. Pause. Where's that picture? Wednesday. Oh, we got Meta, Microsoft. We got Meta. Okay. Hello, Kendall. We got Meta, Microsoft, Boeing, Verizon. Bro, I cannot believe we've been trading gold this week in preparation for this, and this is what we get. Like, no way on a FOMC day am I legit about to watch gold. Are you for real? Like, let's look at gold. What the? Okay, yo, gold is. What the heck, dude? Alright, I don't even know what to think anymore. Like, why does gold look like that? Dude, what? Bro. Well, I mean, honestly. Okay, so the data high did take out all these highs. I mean, maybe this is good, you know? Maybe now we can get along to the data high. Maybe we can come down here and run these lows. And then, what up, bro? Hope you're making good trades. I am actually not trading anything just yet because there's a big red folder news catalyst happening right now, and so I'm kind of letting things settle in first. But I appreciate that. It's always a good goal to make good trades, you know? Facts. So, I'm trying to soak up knowledge. Dude, bet. If you have Discord, so I know that streaming like this is lame, but like it's the only thing that TikTok will let me do right now. So I'm just trying to get like my stream minutes in, because I can't even share my screen. Like I downloaded the TikTok Studio to try and stream on that, but it wouldn't even let me share my screen because I need to have all these achievements or something. So I'm like this. But if you want to be able to see the screen, you can join the Discord and or watch on YouTube as well. So It used to go live so much. Yeah, so then you know. I like it's weird. Like I feel weird doing it like this, but it's the only thing I could think of to try and get my well, actually, I'm going to start doing TikTok live psychology rants too. So, that's going to be something that I start doing until I can like share my screen. So, nothing again, I mean, maybe this 30-second. I don't know if I feel like taking a maybe. What's my TikTok username? It's OxanoNQ. I can post the thing right there. At OxanoNQ. If the trade isn't a fuck yes, then it's a fuck no. Exactly. 43, 52. I mean, this 30-second to the data high does look pretty good. Oh, dude. Yeah, I'm going to stay chill still, honestly. You think you're going to log off? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Like, you hear the squeaky toy in the stair. You guys can hear my dog uh, going ham on his squeaker, apparently. Yeah, so I'm going to wait. I kind of want. I would really, really, really love. Yeah, later, Dan. I would really love to get more of a retrace, and then get along. Like, let's. I want us to sweep something else. See these two lows here. Like, if we can sweep one of these, or actually, if we can sweep this, or maybe put in an SMT, then that would be sick. I got money to play with, and I want to double it with a team. Oops. So I would love for us to manipulate down and sweep these lows and then get along. Because then we would have delivery from here as well. So take a look at gold. So, yep. Just going to be smart here and wait for something that I really like. Let me go grab my coffee real quick. I don't know about the 1 minute low key. I mean, it looks good, but I feel like I just want an entry from further away for some reason. Like, do we have an SMT? I know, but like, why didn't we just rip through this and inverse it, you know? Like, this is so choppy. I would have rather of us just like, if we would have inversed it like on this candle or something, that'd be much better. But I'm going to stay chill for now. I feel like we're going to get another manipulation leg down. So I'm going to just wait. Do I have my MNQ up with 5? Yes, I do. Like, I know we have this data high above, but when I zoom out, we're so high, man. Like, it's crazy. And I just would really like to get some. We're so bullish, man. Can we just get some little bit of a retrace, like a good one, not just, you know. So we got this 30-second OB possibly forming. Let's see if this wants to trigger and send price lower. There's the 30-second OB, just overlapping. Just overlapping. Wonder if that's any better. So, man, it sucks when you have like this news event that we're anticipating like crazy, and then we sit here and we watch it and it's like uneventful. That sucks. I can't lie. Anyone else agree with that? Like, it just, I'm sure we were all expecting some big ass candle and we didn't get it, and it's just like, well, all right then. Okay. So we're starting to get this little bit of a push down, I guess. Still not leaving any FEGs though, right? Like, we're on the 1 minute time frame. Maybe when J Powell gives a statement. Yeah, because he doesn't actually come on for another 15 minutes, right? Or am I tripping on that? Like, he doesn't actually start talking yet, right? Yeah. So, yeah, I would love for us to manipulate down, get along for this data high, but man, streaming on TikTok is weird, bro. I've never done this. It sucks that I can't just share my screen, bro. Did we just... No. So hopefully this 30-second gap that we put in right here holds price down for now. That would be ideal. And then we generate some buy side leading up to the data high, right? Like, instead of entering here and only being able to target this data high, wouldn't it be much nicer to have us generate some buy side like this, manipulate down, get a very, get a nice solid entry after a good sweep? Then you have a break even point, you have scale points with all the LRLR. I just feel like that would be like the most ideal scenario for me. But like, you never know. We could inverse this and just rip the data high, and I'll be like, okay, cool. Like, that could definitely happen. So if you're super confident in the draw, damn. Maybe this 1 minute now, actually. What up, Tino? So that literally didn't inverse to the tick. Look at that. Well, I was considering that. That sucks we didn't get that. Yeah, this 1 minute's holding. I mean, dude, if this, when we push down right here, if we would have swept this low, man, that would be so much better. That's the only thing that sucks about being this bullish, dude, is like we don't get. No, it's not. See here? That's what I'm talking about, is that. So if we would have swept that or at least gotten an SMT, that would be sweet, but. Again, at this point, with the way this is behaving, I'm probably better off waiting for the play I actually want instead of guessing. Yeah, this doesn't look good. So I'm definitely going to stand waiting. But I mean, hey, we're putting in some highs, So we get manipulate down and actually sweep something and get an inverse, I'll be in. But I'm not going to take an inverse in the middle of this. I just don't want to. No, they did. There was definitely a rate cut. Yeah, there was definitely a rate cut. Dude, TikTok is weird, man. I know I keep saying that, but you can like see people popping in and stuff. That's crazy. What up, people popping in and stuff? How we doing, people popping in and stuff? Huh? You pop it in long enough to actually listen to anything? Or you just see that you can't see my candles and get out of here? Because I don't blame you. Okay, so now that this 1 minute's holding and we're pushing down, price is starting to do more of what I want to see. So I'm slowly gaining confidence if we actually get something good. But I want momentum delivery sweep. In the statement, it says they are supposed to start buying treasuries, aka QE. So we got this little 1 minute down here. Not a play to take, but it could be used to tell direction. So if we inverse this 1 minute, you'd think that we could come for these lows. But right now, we got this little mini trend line forming. Do we just long the trend line, chat? Trend lines, trend lines. Trend. I don't know. Imagine waking up this morning and being like, oh man, I wonder if we're going to get like a 500-point dump today. I've been seeing this. Dude, the data candle was so bad. Like, what? Gold had more of a reaction. It didn't move and you were the last buyer. Nah, that's mad funny. I'm sorry. Wait, the trend line's working? PC's getting a little hot. We're going to turn these fans on. Actually, I guess not really. I'm doing quite a bit on here, so it was in drawdown, so I don't care as much. But the disappointment, yeah, that's fair. Let's see what VIX is at. VIX is not even that high. Boo, man. Look at this 30-minute chart. Oh my gosh. Dude, what? What is that? $16.18 or 16.8. What? You talking about a fib level or what? What do you mean? Oh, VIX. You mean the thing that I just looked at with everyone? Wow. I'm really keeping up there. My bad, dude. Man, this is chap, 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 chap. Wait, did my mic fall out? Sorry about that, TikTok. My mic apparently dislodged. So to fix it, I made you stare at the palm of my hand, apparently. Gold at an interesting level. I will gladly go look at gold. No cap. Let's see. So gold, we swept out this low. Damn, we swept so much buy side on that news. Jeez. Gold. Gold, we're tapping into this 15-minute order block. Ooh. Gold could definitely bounce here, actually. It might drop down to that level here if it can override lower time frame bullish divergence. Holy. Look, honestly, I think that gold might inverse this 4-hour down. I mean, we got both these 1 hours here. So we could bounce anywhere in here, but this looks like it wants to go down. Took that a low delivery, got a 15-minute FEG and swept low and FEG. Yeah, that there's not a clear FEG, but it's official. No trades for you today. Just watching. That's probably a good decision. I have two fundeds green from last night, so like I have no problem not taking anything today, but I would like to. But like I don't want to take any of this garbage. Like if it's garbage, why trade it, basically? You're taking my advice from yesterday? The if it's not a fuck yes, it's a fuck no. That is indeed the wave. Exactly. Hear that? If it's not a fuck yes, it's a fuck no. But sometimes I'd be like, whoops, I accidentally got in. No, I'm just kidding. Gold does look kind of interesting here, actually. There's no clean gap. I want there to be one, but there's not. Maybe this. I mean, maybe you just wait for the close above both these. But again, like if I'm sitting here having to say maybe this or maybe that, well then maybe it doesn't look that good. I don't know. Maybe that's not good logic. I mean, if we got like a blast candle and just closed above this, it would definitely make sense. Oh. Okay, see, now when I start to see that, maybe it gives me hope. But I'm good. We can tape read it. The problem I'm having with trading gold is I just don't know where good stop loss placements are for this, you know? That's the problem. Like when we're trading NQ or MNQ, I have no problem being like, okay, if this is going to work, then we shouldn't come back to here. But I don't know the characteristics of gold that much. And so I'm having a hard time with stop loss. That's my issue with gold. Because on NQ, I have a lot of times my stop loss is logic based, you know, like, okay, well, I have a hard stop if I'm trading heavy, but if I'm trading lower size, then I have like a idea in mind of, okay, what would invalidate this trade? Like if I'm long, where do I think we would go to where I know for sure the trade was invalid, right? And that's where I would want to place my stop. But on gold, I don't know how to do that because I haven't watched it enough. And like the point size and the ticks are all different. So it's like in the moment while it's happening, trading gold on a funded and knowing where to put your stop loss when you never trade it is kind of sketch. So if I can avoid copy trading gold, I will for now. Okay, damn. Yeah, no, minis on gold is terrifying. I gotta use 5 micros, bro. So I'll tape read this if we do get it. My copy trader is set to copy M and Q, so I'm not gonna trade gold right now. As much as I think this 1 minute might print. One minute invert on NQ. Oh. Dude, ES would leave equal highs for the data high. Yeah, that's crazy, man. This is not ideal. So the 1 minute inverse there and immediately just Yeah, dude. I cannot see myself taking another trade today. I can't lie. Or taking a trade today. Like, maybe we sweep this data high and get a short for all this trend line. Like, this trend line down here looks really good, actually, but how do we get there? So we just pump, make everyone think we're about to rip the data high. It slows down. Exactly. So, dude, this is diabolical, bro. Now looking at a 30-second short with a data high above is crazy work, bro. That just tells you. Well, okay. Chat. Uh, uh. So we just swept this low that I had marked out earlier today. Okay, chat. Damn! It's happening! It's happening! Dude, we just swept so many lows. Oh my god. Bro. Dude. See, now that was news. Yeah, exactly. Man, dude. See, bro, like imagine being in that 1 minute, bro. I don't think your break even gets hit on that. I feel like it smashes through your BE for some reason, but yeah, the LRLR down was looking juicy, man. Okay, now I'm hyped. Now I want to see what we get going. Damn, gold did the same thing. Gold dumped too. Damn, you guys. Well, I'm glad we got something. I mean, yeah, we must have been just waiting for December cut, not for sure. Far from it. Yeah, see, that was my thing was I was like, I bet they don't cut enough. So basically we cut rates, but Powell's saying that there's no way we continue to do it. Like as of right now, we're not even close to continuing to cut rates. So the market might be ooh, come on. Dump, dump, dump. Market might be cooked. Imagine we just run all this LRLR, bro. What do you guys think? NWOG? NWOG or what? 14K, bro. Chill. Bro thinks we're going to dump 12,000 points. Damn. I mean, look, this is the 15-minute chart, and there is no gaps right here all the way down. There's like nothing, dude. Either 14K or 40K. Damn. Let's check the higher time frame to see if there's any SMTs going. Dude, this might just keep dumping. Chase short or nah? Chase short or nah? Yo, Sano, I was gonna ask you about the TV CME data feed. Whenever I try to buy it, it wants me to subscribe to the plans they have. Yep. They make you buy a plan. Pretty sure. But here's a little hack. If you get one of their paid plans and then you just link a prop firm account to it every now and then, you'll have the data feed for no extra charge. So it's like, depends on how you want to go about it. I don't know if you can get the data feed alone. I'm not sure. Dude, I forgot that my phone is right next to me with TikTok, and TikTok totally just saw me give myself a little booty scratch. That's crazy. Sorry about that. I mean, dude, if you link a prop firm account to TradingView, you should have live data feed. You won't have 30-second chart, but you should have live data feed. So any prop account that you have that you can sign in with Tradeovate on TradingView, you should have live data. Yeah, but I feel like if you sign in, it shouldn't be delayed. That's what I'm saying. Is it still delayed for some reason? Yeah. P15 here. Come on, NQ. Give us a way to get in this. We're going to 6,000? Bro, chill. Now for real, watch. He says, okay. So let's see, you guys. We got Tino here. Tino here in the Discord. Let's see, and he's letting me know that we're gonna dump to. Oh, we're gonna dump to here from news. What do you guys think? Run all this LRLR, you know? Kids taking long to data high gonna get smacked. Yeah, we already saw that happen once. There was a 1 minute that triggered and it got obliterated. Oh, 26K. Gotcha. Yeah. No, I could easily see that. I could see us coming for this low and then maybe these down here even. I think this might be as low as we go. Dude, give me a way to get in this, bro. So if we did something like this now, that would be so fire. That would be basically what we were talking about getting earlier, right? Manipulate down, get a sweep. It was more of a sweep than I was anticipating, but there's just, I mean, we came down, but we didn't really put any gaps in to inverse, right? Okay. Little continuation 30-second. I don't think it inverse though. It like barely did. So 30-second inverse right there could send slower. I'm staying flat still. Oh, Nazi. Yeah, this is that's exactly why I started chuckling, dude. Come on, this is toast. Like any FEG that we see right now is just gonna get overlapped, I feel like. Yeah, that would have got wrecked. Yeah, literally. Like. So now let's see what VIX is at. So VIX spiked up to 17, right? So VIX is spiking a little bit. Maybe we're not going to get any long setups, you guys. You lost your account. You longed it. Bro, I thought you were going to stop, though. Okay. Bro, don't do that, man. I was like, bro, no. Bro, you need to move on from it, man. I'm not trying to sound rude, but it's going to bother you until you move on from it. Just, it's okay, bro. you're gonna take so many more losses in your career trying to do this, bro. Like, it's okay, dude. Never try to make it back on the same day with this PA? Yeah, for sure. Paper trading view sucks. Never try to make money after you go back to break even? Dude, yeah. I had a day on my alphas where I was like down, right? And then I made it back and then was above my $200 day threshold and tried to hold for more, and it came all the way back and break even me, and I was heated. Like, how stubborn, you know what I mean? Do you have any good psychology videos I should watch? Yeah, anything from Tom Hugard is good. And I mean, I have a whole playlist on mine just for psychology. Psychology rants right here. This is all just like psychology stuff. And then this interview is really good. So that's part 1 of 3. You can start on that. That one's so good, bro. I'm going to show you how to be the best loser you can possibly be. I'm not here to teach you about trading. I'm here to teach you about you. It's trading psychology. But then, like, I know it seems like I'm promoting my own stuff, but I actually do have some pretty good stuff in here in this playlist. And they're like shorter, you know? I don't know how to share the playlist, but like I have different stuff, you know, dealing with drawdown, happy after a loss, importance of journaling, power of believing in yourself, letting go, one thing every trader suffers with, just be done, recognizing bad PA, full tilt mode was real today, don't force your dreams, try a new approach. So like I have a bunch of good ones in here, honestly. And they're shorter than Tom Hugard's stuff. You know what I mean? Like they're between 5 minutes and 10 minutes instead. So if you'd rather go that route, I guess you could. Of course I watch Tom, bro. Tom's GOAT. Like Tom's GOAT, bro. I got audiobooks. I can watch his YouTube, everything. Crazy price action. I'm done for the day. Take care. Have a good one, Road. I honestly feel like I might just do the same. How do you like stay focused on a video? Bro, I'm a walking ADHD case, so I honestly don't know. If it has me, dude, if it's trading stuff, it's easy for me to lock in. I can't lie. I freaking love this shit. Like I've watched all of ICT's stuff all the way through so many times, bro. The 2024 mentorship I have blasted. It might be boring, but if you want this to be your job, you know, it's the same as going to school. If you're going to school for a career, the classes might be boring, but you have to take the classes to get your degree. So it might be boring, but it's necessary. And you know what? Sometimes watching these candles all day is super boring, but you have to like learn to deal with that too, right? So if you don't have patience to sit here and watch candles all day when price action sucks and wait for your model, you know, if you don't have patience to even watch a video, how are you going to have patience for that? Especially when it's a video learning your craft, you know? So, I mean, honestly, this 5 minute long would probably work to all time highs. TJR lost a mil. I know, imagine a mil, bro. $500 versus a mil. $500 of simulation money versus a mil of actual money. 100-point stop loss? Nah, I would not do a 100-point stop loss. I'd probably just do like 25-point stop loss with 5 micros. But I really hope we do not get that. Like, I'm hoping and praying that all this was a retrace of this little dump, and that the 50% of this sends us back down. That's what I'm hoping for. I really don't want to. Yeah, that's a huge stop loss, bro. Shit. But it's like one of those ones where you weigh like your confidence level versus the stop loss size. Like data high above, LRLR above. The draw is pretty clear. Okay, dude. Be patient, Doxano. Be patient. Dude, it sucks though. If you take this 5 minute, I guess it's 50 points. I mean, there's still this giant candle though. PA is not clean for IFGs lately, nor any other strat I know. I know, but part of me just wants to go long and try and snag a few points. Because this is just pumping, dude. Gotta hop on the 5 minute breakout. I mean, if we get this 5 minute inverse, I feel like I would have to take it. Bro, my. Gosh dang it, man. You don't believe me? 100-point stop loss after we push 200 point to close above it? No, I do believe you. At this point, dream scenario is this big ass candle holds, and we just engineer buy side right here, and get this. I don't know about taking that 5 minute, dude. Oh, bro, should we just get in chat? Let's just long, bro. That was a huge stop loss, bro. Damn. Drag the puzzle piece into place. What the heck? Bro, why? That was weird. My bad, TikTok, for the zoom in, the face zoom in, but I had to see something. Maybe I have to turn this down a little too. Let's draw out the... Oops. 50% of this. So you can see the candle bodies are respecting the 50% of this 1 minute pretty well. Five-minute inverse with this 5-minute OB. I'm having a really hard time not getting in this right now, dude. But it's just... All right, wait for the model, you know? That's why. So it's 12 o'clock or 3 o'clock now. Got about an hour or so left on the day. So 50% of this big bearish candle is still holding. Okay. Power hour. Let's see. Maybe we're just waiting for Powell to be done talking, which I don't know if he is or not. He's not done talking yet. So this says traders pair bets on a December Fed rate cut now sees a 71% chance, down from 90% chance previously. So before today, the market thought there was a 90% chance that we were gonna get rate cuts again in December, and now it's dropped to 71 based on the comments from today. So I think that's why we got this dump. But I don't know if that, like, is that going to make the entire market just flip bearish now? I don't know. Is this 2-minute continuation short that I'm not going to take, but I'll tape read? Kind of like a 2022 model mixed with the inverse. There's the close. But I'm not going to short it right now. I want longs to the data. Ha, ha, ha. Waiting on the 5-minute. Oh, yeah. So there's this 5-minute here that does actually look pretty decent. But right now you're more relying on just delivery, since we didn't really have a sweep of anything. And I'm good on that. I'm not shorting any of this. Account blown. Damn. There he goes. Account gone. Yeah, this is crazy, man. We're getting like 50.1-minute candles and shit. I'm good. Like, yeah.